Hello guys! Welcome to my channel! Today, we are going to make one of my best sellers, my super moist chocolate cupcakes. First, we are going to prepare and line our cupcake pan. I am going to use a 3-ounce cupcake liner and pan. After preparing the cupcake pan, we are now ready to mix our batter. Let's sift our dry ingredients first. I already made a pre-mixed batch and stored it in a plastic bag. This is one of my baking hacks that you will eventually see and learn every time you watch my video tutorials. For me, this is easier and take less of my time when baking. After sifting our dry ingredients, we are now ready to add all the wet ingredients, starting with our sugar. You can also cut some sugar, depends on how sweet you'd like your cupcakes. Mix our sugar just enough to incorporate with our dry ingredients. And now, add 1/2 cup of oil. In this recipe, I am using corn oil. Then, let's add 2 cups of room temperature water. Add the vanilla extract. Lastly, add 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. This will help moisten our cake batter. After putting all our ingredients in a bowl, carefully mix our batter using a wire whisk. Do not overmix it. Overmixing our batter makes our cake much denser and too firm. Remember that we wanted a soft and moist cupcake. Has a lot of lumps. All we need to do is to get another clean bowl and sifter. Then, carefully pour the cake batter and then strain all the batter, leaving all the lumps and even undissolved sugar in the strainer. This will help us to dissolve remaining lumps and prevent us to overmix our batter. Scrape the bowl using a spatula to get all the remaining cake batter. Push down the remaining mixture in the strainer using a spatula. Mix the batter for one last time. This mixture has no eggs and milk included but still tastes so good. You'll see that our mixture is now perfectly smooth, runny, and no lumps. And we are now ready to divide our batter into our cupcake pan. Using a 1/4 measuring cup, pour each liner with our cupcake batter. until we finish all the 12 liners. And we are now ready to bake our cupcakes. Bake this at 160 degrees Celsius preheated oven for 20 minutes. Tcharam! After 20 minutes of baking, our cupcakes bake just right. Soft but firm to touch. Perfect! Just leave it for about 10 minutes to cool down for putting any frosting. And now we are ready to taste our super moist chocolate dairy-free cupcake. This cupcake recipe is just so good even without frosting. Not too sweet, very soft and moist. It's perfect for any occasion, and people will love this. If you enjoyed watching this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also, click the bell icon to notify you for future videos. Thank you! Happy baking!